Nagesh Karajagi Orchid channel, myself Harsha teacher. In last period, we have learned the concept of open and closed, open and closed, up and down. And now today, we are going to learn more two new concepts. That is, first one, heavy and light. Okay, heavy and light. Heavy means boja, light means halka. So, some practically things we will see to understand in better way. Now see, I am having in my hand, here is the empty box and here I am having a remote. So, in these two, which is heavy and which is light? So, see, this box is empty, it is light, and this remote is heavy. This is light and this is heavy. Now see, next I am having in my hand pen and straw. In this, which is the heavy and which is the light? Which is the heavy and which is the light? So, you have to tell me which is the heavy and which is the light. Yes, very good. This is heavy and this is light. In hand, when we keep like this, we can understand which things are heavy and which things are light. So, see, once again different. Now see, I am having this book and I am having this another book. See, you can see like this, see. Now, I will keep both the books in my hand, see. But in this book, which is heavy and which is light? See, this is light and this is heavy. Got it? When we take in hand like this, we can understand which is heavy and which is light. Heavy means yeah, जो ज़्यादा रहता है उसको heavy बोलते हैं और जो थोड़ा रहता है उसको light बोलते हैं. Yeah, very good. So, we will learn in from the book now. So, open everybody your book, pencil, eraser. So, everybody, have you opened your book? Very good. Page number 9 you have to open. Yes. So, today we will learn here the concept of light and heavy. Heavy and light, light and heavy. Yes. So, see, L-I-G-H-T, light, A-N-D and H-E-A-V-Y, heavy. Yes, light. No, light means not that light. This is the different light and that is the different light. Okay. This light meaning means the things which are heavy and light, that concept light is different. The things which we can easily pick up, easily keep, that things we say light things. And the things which we can't pick very fast or alone we cannot take, that things we can say heavy. जो चीजें हम अपने से उठा सकते हैं खुद, उसको लाइट बोलते हैं और जो चीजें हम अकेले नहीं उठा सकते उसको हेवी बोलते हैं. So, see, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle, T-H-E, the, L-I-G-H-T, light, T-H-I-N-G, thing, I-N-in, E-A-C-H, each, S-E-T, set. Circle the things, circle the light things in each set. So, here what they have told us to do, they have given here pictures. From this picture, one picture, this in one this column and this second column. So, in this picture, first we have to see the picture and the thing which is light, that we have to circle. Everybody ready with the crayon or pencil? So, can you see that what is this? Which picture is this? Bus. And which picture is this? Cycle, bicycle. Okay. Now, can you pick this bus like this? No. But this cycle we can pick. If it is fallen down, we can pick it up. But this bus, can we move that bus? We can push that bus? No. But this bicycle, we can pick. When it is fallen down, we can push. So, it is light and it is heavy. So, we have to circle this light. Got it? Now, see, in this picture, we can see here elephant. What is this? Elephant. And here mouse. Okay. So, see, which is heavy and which is light? Which is heavy and which is light? You can pick this elephant? No. You can pick the mouse? Yes. And when we see, we can understand which is heavy and which is light? Yes, because the size of this is big and the size of this is small. So, which one is the light? This one is the light. Mouse is light. So, we have to circle. Got it? Now, next. CIRCL is circle. THE the. HEAVY heavy. THING thing. IN in. EACH each. SET set. Circle the heavy things in each set. So, before this, we have done the exercise of light things. And now, in these two, we have to circle the heavy things. So, see, here what you can see? Crocodile. Okay, and here fish. Yes, in these two animals, which is the heavy and which is the light? Yes, this is crocodile is heavy and fish is light. So, we have to circle heavy things. So, we will circle crocodile. And now see, here what you can see? Flower. And here the another fish it is. This is also fish, this is also fish, but both are different. Here flower. Front of flower we can see fish. So, which is the heavy thing? Fish is heavy. So, we have to circle the fish. Okay. I will wait for 2 minutes. You do circle to the proper things. Have you finished everybody? Okay. Now, we are going to learn another concept. So, open the next page. Open the next page, that is MORE more, AND and LESS less. So, we are going to learn concept of more and less. So, we will see some practical things and then we will go for the book. So, just now we saw the things which were heavy and light. Now, the second concept we are going to learn, that is more and less. See, one side I am showing you 5 fingers and one side I am showing you only 2 fingers. So, which is the more? Which fingers I am showing you more? Which hands fingers I am showing you more? My side, left hand fingers I am showing you more. So, this is 5. So, we are saying 5 and this is 2. The concept of more and less today we are going to learn is that the things which are more. See now, these fingers are more than these 2 fingers. So, it is more fingers, and the right hand which I am showing you finger, that are only 2. So, it is less fingers. So, just see, now I will show you some straws in my hand. What I will show you? Straws in my hand. So see, in one hand I am showing you straw like this, and the another hand I am showing you only one. Here we can count. In this hand I am having straws that I can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means we are having more straws. And in the here this hand I am having only one. So which is the more and which is the less? Yes, this is the more and this is less. Okay. So now tell me, these two books I am having in one hand, and in another hand I am having books like this. In this hand I am having only two books, but in this hand I am having more books, more than two, more than one. So when we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is known as more, and when it is only one or two, it is less. We have to compare that whichever the things we have, it is more or less. Okay. So now we will see in book. So first we will read the heading. M-O-R-E, more, A-N-D, and, L-E-S-S, less. More means jada, less means come. So T-I-C-K, tick, T-H-E, the, B-O-X, box, W-I-T-H, with, M-O-R-E, more, T-H-I-N-G-S, things. Tick the box with more things. So they have given us picture of different types. Here we can see the books, here we can see the balloons, here in the cupboard they have kept the toys. All to this we have to see properly, and what they have told us, more things, where we can see the more things, we have to put the tick. So see, in this first picture, how many books you can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other picture, only 2 books are there, see, 1 and 2. Then which is more and which is less? Yes, which is more? Yes, this is more. So we have to tick here more. Like this. Now second, you see, what you can see in this picture? Balloons. Okay. And this, only one balloon. Okay. So comparing to this both picture, which is more and which is less? Here balloon is there, only one balloon. We can count here the another balloons? No, because here only one balloon is there. And here we can count more than one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this we can count. So which is the more in these two pictures? Yes, balloons here, these are more. Now the third picture. Here in the third picture, we can see in both the picture, cupboard is there. In that cupboard, toys are there. But in which cupboard toys are more? We have to see. See now in this first rack, only 1, 2, 3. And in the another picture of cupboard, see upside on the first rack, how many toys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toys are there. Here 3 are there, here 5 are there. Like this only in second also rack C. We can see here only 1, 2, 3. Here we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more. Like that same thing in the third rack also. Same thing in the fourth rack also. So here in this cupboard we have less toys, and in this cupboard we have more toys. So we have to tick here. Got it everybody? So in this today's session we have learned this more and less concept, and we have solved the exercise also. This is more, and this is more. So here you understood that more and less concept? Yes, okay. I will wait for 2 minutes just to see and do it properly. Open your workbook and then open your next page, that is page number. This we have learned last time, we have done for the homework. Now today we are going to write here homework. Now the next page you have to open. Here also you have to write HW homework. So these 2 pages you have to practice at home. So today we have learned 2 more new concepts that you have to practice at home. Thank you.